Assalamu alaikum, pretty listener. Welcome back to my another new English practice video. This is MD Pranto Ali. Nowadays, I would like to share with you in this video how do I practice in English every day. As far as it goes, I will share with you in this video. So let's get started. You know that English is a language, and what is language? Language means one kind of sound. Not only English language but also Bangla, and in the world has 7,000 plus languages. All languages are one kind of sound, and I believe it. To learn English, I focus most on listening, because when I listen, that time I take input. After that I give output. If I don't try to listen, how can I deserve it? I will give output. That's why to learn English, I focus most on listening. Every day, minimum 1 hour plus, I must listen beside my workplace. And native English speaker speech, which type of video I most like, such as I like travel vlog video, podcasts, and sometimes I listen many types of president speech. So I learn many things from these kinds of videos, because those videos help me to improve my pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammatical structure. So this is my first step to learn in English. After that, number 2, speak in English every day, minimum 30 minutes, 1 hour beside my work and when I feel free, as well as make video. So you know that every day I must make one video beside my work. At this moment I am still on the field. I am practicing English as well as I am making video. Now this is my second step. After that, number 3 step is writing every day. Every day I select one writing task. After that I write this task, and when the write is complete, that time I give this write ChatGPT and I ask him, you should say where I have made mistake, and ChatGPT help me to correct this mistake. After that, reading. I have a few books. This type of books I like. This type of book I read every day, and I try to learn from this book structure, vocabulary, and sentence making pattern. But I most of the time read this very interesting story, because I don't like boring story. If I don't feel well, this type of videos and story I try to avoid. And I believe it, English is a language and language learning is not easy. If I want to be a fluent English speaker, I have to keep consistency, and I believe and I try this type of rules, which rules many English learners follow it. And right now they have been fluent English speaker. I follow this person rules. So in my opinion, if you want to be a fluent English speaker, never ever give up. And one thing I would like to say, I am not a good at English speaker. I can speak English without hesitation. So, see you in the next video. No more today. Pray for me. Mercy.